Now, my topic of the day is premenopause and menopause. Are you going through it? Because I am suffering. Look, guys, my foot is starting to peel. Look.
Fusion music. So, but I won't take a photo.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Morning, guys. So today is Saturday, and I'm gonna clean my stove. I haven't done this before. I've cleaned my stove, but I haven't taken out the glass. So it's the first time doing it. I'm gonna clean out the kitchen. So I've got my hub cleaner. I've got some bicarbonate of soda, and I've got some vinegar. I've screwed this already to see how it works. So I'm gonna slide out this glass. It's got to be clean as well. So I've unscrewed this bit already. So the next is here. Got some stuff. washing machine going, I've got the dryer going, but this is the finished product. My stove is well ready. Shining, thanks to moi. Oh Lord, trust me, it took me ages. I'm sweating, but I finally finished tidying up the kitchen. I declutter all of the things. The only thing that left for me is washing machine to clean behind it and to put some lime scale remover in it, and then goodos, the kitchen is finally done. But before I do that, I have to finish the washing first, and then that's it. I've cleaned my fridge off camera. I've done everything. I've tidied up the whole entire house. Now I'm going to throw away the rubbish and going on the road. You see, our British weather is bipolar. Last week I was at a festival dancing. It was so hot, I was melting. My little fan couldn't even carry me through the day. Look, this week I've got an umbrella. It's raining. Trust me. I'm coming from the market and the shopping is burning. Oh God, it a weigh down my poor little hands. But we have to do what we have to do, innit? My Saturday is coming to this Saturday, I should say, is a bit productive. I've been doing lots of things, but when I reach home, I'm not too far. I'll show you what I got from the market, and then I'll be chilling for the day because I've got the vlog that's coming before this one. I need to edit, but it is what it is. So this is what I got from the market. First, I've got some green bananas for breakfast tomorrow. Then I got 3 green plantains, or plantain, any way you say it. Then I got, hold on, okay, that's my plan, and this is my meat bag. So got some goat meat, or mutton as we say, for tomorrow. This is to be seasoned. I've got some cow foot. I'm gonna season it and put it in the freezer. And for me, I've got some chicken liver, $4.99. I'm gonna clean this and season it for tomorrow breakfast. And don't want that one. That goes there. I went into Primark, because I always stop at Primark, and I got that top for £3, and this color, it says 6, but when I scan it, it's just £3. But these are the skim dupes, and it's fine. I choose these 2 colors because I've got the leggings to match. So that is my little haul that I went to the market to get. Mainly I went for to get meat. So that is it. I'm gonna relax for today. I'm gonna finish my washing. Then I'm gonna eat something and I'm gonna relax. No more vlogging. Hi guys, wagwan. So today is Sunday, as you can see. I got up. I was in bed for about an hour or two because this girl is so tired. But on my agenda for today, I've got to tidy up the front room and the kitchen, but I'm gonna start cooking. If you remember yesterday when I went to the market, I got some mutton. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do curry mutton. That's for, and I'm gonna do this is seasoned as well. This is the chicken liver. But my menu today is not a traditional Jamaican cooking like rice and peas. I'm gonna cook the mutton with white rice. That's for me. And I'm gonna do some chicken and the chicken liver with dumpling and the banana I bought yesterday and a bit of yam and stuff like that. But I've got to start cooking the mutton because it's gonna take a little bit of time. So I've put it on, and then there's a little oil I use, my olive oil, just a little tip, and I'm gonna put a little bit of curry in the oil so it can burn off. But I'd like to ask you, what kind of oil curry do you use? Do you use the better pot curry? Cause I think this is the best, and this is straight from yard, straight from Jamaica. But what kind of curry do you use? Comment and tell me. But on my neck, after all the shebang, I've got some clothes to dry and a little bit to wash, and then I'm finished with washing for the week. I've got my feet to be done to put the moisturizer on. I may vlog that, and I need to do some waxing. I may vlog that as well. Because I took out the kit, the waxing kit and everything already. But you know, I'm a DIY girl, do it yourself, because I'm very frugal. I don't like to spend money when it's not to be spent, like unnecessary money that I can do it myself. So anything I can do myself, I do. Anyway, and that's my frugal lifestyle. So Morning, guys. What's up? What's poppin'? Thank God to wait to see another day. And as you can see, it's a work morning. The morning is not that bad, but maybe I'm in the wrong jacket, but I'm not taking no chances. No chance. It's not cold, to be fair. Could I wear a lighter jacket? But it is what it is. I should be well rested because I didn't go out last night. Although, you know, this girl likes to go out on a Sunday night, which is okay, because that's the time we have. Anyway, but my sleep was broken. Now, my topic of the day is pre-menopause and menopause. Are you going through it? Because I am suffering. I want, as I was saying, as a lady of my age, and I know that some of you, my lovelies, are going through the same thing, is it even at an earlier stage on my age. Well, my voice may sound like a little chick, but I am not. So, last night my sleep was broken. I was so hot. I had a little mini fan on my bed, but I couldn't sleep because my body was going through so much changes. It was horrible. So my sister did, this is not the first, but my sister did, she told me about this primrose tablet, and I'm taking it, but nothing that happened. That's the thing that happened. So you tell me, what's your remedy? What do you use so I can try it and experience it too? Because I can't go through this all the rest of my life every night, because I won't be sleeping. So just drop a comment and tell me, my lovelies, what are you using? Because I need some help. Help, please. Guys, what's up? As you can see, I'm back home. I've been home ages ago. I came home in the listen, it was so raining. I came home in the rain, got wet, came home, went shopping. Now I'm back home looking something to eat, but before I go eat, I've got something in the oven. I'm going to have a bath, but I want to ask you, do you bathe or shower before you eat or after? Because I do it before, and then I'll eat, then I'll do my skincare, brush my teeth, and then go relax and prepare for bed. But you tell me your routine. I didn't vlog shopping because you've seen that all the time. It's the same thing, supermarket, whatever. And I came home and I made some smoothie for tomorrow as well. But maybe in the next vlog, I will show you how I made my smoothie. Anyway, that is it. My battery died this morning, but hopefully, I was talking about menopause. Because, you know, people can see them pre-menopause at an early stage in life or later down, like me. But I am praying, fingers crossed, that I can sleep well tonight. The thing is, it's about 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. I don't want to fall asleep now because If I do later, I'm gonna suffer. And then if I get hot flushes, it's gonna be worse. So I'm gonna chup her on until later. Then I'll fall asleep about like 8, 9. But I need to speak to my mama as well. I speak to my mom every day because I just need to check in, because you know she's by herself, but she's fine and well taken care of. Anyway, I see you guys maybe tomorrow or so. Hi guys, when I tell you, look at the time. Let me show you. It's 2:00. Let me show you. Hold on, hold on. I don't know if you can see 2:05 in the morning. I've got to wake up at 6:35 and I can't sleep. Let me show you on this phone. If you think I'm joking. Ooh. It's 2:06. I'm so hot, I'm sweating. My fan is here. I don't know what's doing. I don't know what is happening, but I'm so hot. Oh God, pray for me. So now my fan it needs charging. I'll see you in the morning. Well, later. Grand rising, guys. It's, let me see the time. It's 7:51 in the morning. And I am out in work in the car lot because I drove this morning because the girl was too tired. Listen, hey, last night kicked my butt. Did you see? I couldn't sleep. I was running so hard, but I'm awake, but I'm tired and I'm still going. I could see 2 o'clock because the last I went on the camera was 2 something. I could see 2 o'clock. I could see 3 o'clock. I could see 4 o'clock. I don't know when my eye closed, but it did eventually. And then the alarm went off 6:35 and the girl had to get up. I had to drag myself and force myself to get up. But this menopause is kicking my butt. I took my primrose pill and I took some Centrum. I hope it works tonight because I can't last a week without doing it. With all these hot flushes and this sweating, it's too much on my body. But I have my trusty smoothie here. I'm gonna have it in the car before I get in. So I'll see you later. Hi guys, wagwan. As you can see, I'm back from work. Did a little bit of washing, prepare my foods for tomorrow, have a bath. Now I'm preparing myself for bed. But I'm gonna wash my face and I'm gonna use the tea tree oil. Anyway, I'm pretty tired, so it's an early night for me. So, how was your guys' day today? What did you do? Did you have fun? Work is work. We're all tired from work, but tell me what job is out there that's easy. If you know an easy job, tell me, cause man, I'd like to do that job too. Everyone wants an easy life. If you know anything, just let me know. Let me know. I hope tonight I have a good night. Because, you know, this girl is struggling at nights. But I'm gonna use my rubbing alcohol. If you know anything that I can do to help me in the night for the hot flushes and to help me sleep, link a girl up, because I need some help. This is just to clean off my face fully. I have to wash my face properly because of these lashes. Because you know, I'm a lash girl. I like my lashes. I need some moisturizer for my face. But what one? I'll leave that for now. I'll tie my hair up, wipe away my edges. Tell me about these edges. Sometimes I don't do them, but I've got this co-worker. She said, "Oh my God, you've done your lashes, your edges, not lashes, sorry, your edges, and it makes you look quite younger." I'm like, oh my God, were you watching me, girl? Are you watching me? To see if I'm doing my lashes, my edges, yes or no. Come on. Sometimes, you know, people is looking at the finer things that you're not doing. And do you know that sometimes when you say, oh, let me go outside and not dress up, that's the time you see people that you know, you're like, oh my God, did I go out like this? You're like, oh, sorry. You know, I don't usually look like this. But you know me, I rock anything. And I don't make excuses. Anyway, I'll see you later. Before you see me later, you have to accept me for me.
The victim, whose name currently cannot be disclosed, is now among over 51.
Morning guys, what's going on? I must say, this is another day and I'm not tired today. I'm not tired today because you know what? This girl slept so well yesterday. So, I guess going to bed early and taking that. I took the primrose pill after I eat and everything, and I went to bed. Little bit flush, but little bit sweating, but not a lot. And I made it through in the mornings, and because I slept all night without a break, without getting up or anything, I got up very early this morning, 5 o'clock, which is good. Which is good. Hold on. Hello?
Okay.
Sorry about that. Okay. But I'm all good. I hope it continues. But I'm at work. I'm gonna have my smoothie and then I'll go in. Oh my days, we finally made it. It's Friday. Happy Friday. It's Friday night. Anyway, it's Friday. I just got home because after work I went on the street. The sun, I must tell you, this morning it was so cloudy, and then after work it's so hot. They said the weekend is gonna be piping hot, but this girl needs to be outside but I don't know what's going on. If anyone's gonna invite me anywhere, I'm all up for it. But right now I'm gonna close off my vlog because my camera is dying anyway, but I'm gonna close it up anyway. So if you reach this far in my video, thanks for watching, and please like, comment anything positive, for real, because I do need the support. And I'll see you in the next vlog. And remember, I need some help.